going down for real. Hello my babies, you're here again with me, Baby. Welcome back to my channel, where you see really disturbing clips of dancing and singing. If you are already a subscriber here, welcome back. But if you are not, then please go ahead, click the like button, comment down below, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Got that intro down, dog. So as you can see from my title, we're going into shoes today. More specifically, sneakers. My top 5 of all time right now. Does that make sense? Well, to me it does. We're gonna try to keep this short and sweet. I'm just gonna show you the model and why I like this shoe. In no specific order. Or maybe we should do this alphabetically. Okay, sure. First, of course, we have letter A. I've got my Asics. These are the Kayano Faves. Now, if you've been seeing my Instagram lately, I do have a ton of outfits with this shoe. And the reason for that being is these shoes are awesome. My husband and I have been looking into getting some Asics shoes recently, just, you know, to kind of change things up from our usual sneaks. Now, a lot of Asics shoes, I don't know if you're going to disagree with me on this, but they do kind of look like New Balances more often than not. I like these Kayanos because they have these kind of web-like designs on the side, which really sets it apart. I mean, this is like it's an Asics look. I got it in my true to size 8. I really like this shoe because it is very comfy. Not as comfortable as maybe my New Balance made in USA ones, but this is very comparable. I think maybe they feel more like the 2002 Rs. That level of comfort. This is my whitest, brightest shoe. I like how it looks super retro with the neon greens and the bright neon pinks as well. The only kind of low-key color here is the periwinkle, and there ain't nothing low-key about the construction next door. My goodness, it is so loud. So looks-wise, comfort-wise, it's so good. And I'm just gonna say that we bought this on super sale from its usual like 8,000 peso range. This we got at like 2,000 bucks. I ain't even joking. What a steal. So you guys, don't sleep on Asics, man. Don't. Just don't. You are missing out. You gotta give it a chance, okay? They may not be as hyped as other shoes, but I would have to put this kind of on the top of my list. I was pleasantly surprised from this little experiment of mine, and it is beautiful. The details are just exquisite. Now, if you are gonna get this for yourself, sizing wise, true to size, guys. It feels a bit snug because there is more leather in the front. It is less of a meshy type of shoe. There is leather, so it's quality shiz. Almost 4 there. Next up, we have Converse. And I do have a ton of Converse sneaks. They're all black, but I had to go with the Chuck 70s. I guess there's not much to say about these, but Chuck 70s, ow, will just have to forever be in my closet. They're comfortable, they're reasonably priced, they stand the test of time, and style-wise, you just let them get dirty and it's all good in the hood, man. I love my Velos and I really love my Runstar Motions, but ultimately, the Chuck 70s will always be a winner. Chuck 70s are one of the most classic styles ever. They are super versatile. You can wear them with every single outfit. Doesn't matter if you're casual, if you're formal with a suit, or maybe super formal with a gown. You can throw in a pair of Chucks and you're gonna look awesome. Yeah. That's me living out my Cinderella story dreams right there. I wish I could do prom again and wear some Chucks. I do go true to size for these. These are a size 8, but I would rather wear them with thin socks. I'm wearing thick socks right now, and they are a bit snug. So if you are a fan of bigger socks, maybe go half size up. But did I say bigger socks or thicker socks? I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But yes, I do wear thin socks with my Chucks. But either way, it's all good. He was a skater boy. She said, see you later, boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Okay, so third on my list of favorite shoes ever. we're gonna go with New Balance, of course. So I'm just gonna have to say that these shoes are kind of dirty, but my husband actually introduced me to New Balance back when everybody was going crazy about Jordans. I wasn't sure if Nike was my scene, and I was really drawn to more daddy looking silhouettes for shoes, for dad sneakers, and so he took me to New Balance, and my mom was blown. I just wanted every single thing. But the first shoe that I actually bought is this one. These are the New Balance 990 V5s. Now when you talk about the 990s, they are crazy comfortable. Like, for this to be your very first New Balance, like nothing else can compare. I got it in a size 7 men's. I do have big feet, so we've got this navy, gray, and white combination, which is really great for denim, really great for white outfits, gray outfits, really anything. This was my gateway shoe. After this, I just went crazy over New Balances. I wanted all of the styles. No regrets though, because this was such an amazing investment. It is super comfortable. Yes, they're kind of pricey, but I don't know, I think I feel like I can wear this all the way till I'm old and like a Lola, and I'll wear it with this fit and I'll be like a cool old woman, you know what I mean? I'll always be a huge fan of New Balance because they have amazing materials, they have amazing quality, and everything about them is amazing. And it's so funny because at that time, these shoes were just really, like, they were just all there, and now naga out of stock na. People are really raving about it and it's getting very popular. So if you can get your hands on these, do it soon. Especially since it's gaining so much more hype right now. As I said, I do like to wear thick socks, so I went for a 7 men's, which would convert to about 8.5 women's, and I think really that's my new size because I do like a little bit of space in my shoes. But it's really a matter of preference. So if you guys are thinking about sizing, maybe go to the store so you can try them on for yourselves. But that's just me. If you have the same size as me, then try going it my way. Let's move on to our 4th shoe, still from New Balance. These are our 992s, and as you can see over here, I got a gray OG color. New Balance is so popular for their gray colorways, but these ones are a bit different from my 990s. You know, there's a slight difference. This one is like a gray with white, so it's a lighter kind of gray, right? Yes, anyway, these 992s have a slightly different look. They do look more updated, they do look a little bit more modern. Still the same kind of quality and materials going on, which I love, love, love. The comfort is extremely comfortable, you guys. I went with the same size. I got still a 7 men's, so for me the fit was just to die for. You guys, this shoe goes with everything. If you guys are noticing like a kind of recurring theme with my shoes, yes, I do like them to all be very, very versatile and to work with a lot of kinds of outfits, because I'm not really much of a funky shoe kind of girl, except for the Asics. Maybe these are a little bit funky for me, but most of my stuff are pretty neutral. If you have the chance to get 992s, please do not waste it. I would love to get this pair in different colors as well, but since I already have a 990 and a 992, we might as well go for the other models. I'm just on a maid collecting spree. If I had all the cash, if I had all the money, but you know, we're back here in reality world. But anywho, this leads us to our last shoe. This one is from Reebok. So that's our letter R. See, alphabetical. I've always been a huge fan of Reebok. So if you guys don't know, my wedding shoes were actually Club C's. Those were really, really nice. They were like an off-white kind of color with some pink sparkly laces. Oh my goodness, it was great. But this time, I got myself another pair of Club C's. We got a limited edition Looney Tunes Club C. It's not your typical beige, which is more on like the yellow side. This is more on the gray, bluer kind of beige. You know what I mean? If you don't, then okay, I'm just talking nonsense. I love that we have all these Looney Tunes details. See over here, we have like explosions, little drawings over there, little embellishments, super fun. You can even see the gang in there. See, they see Bugs Bunny and who else is in here? Daffy Duck is there and Tasmanian Devil, y'all. It is crazy cool, crazy fun. It reminds me of my childhood. So it's not super in your face. And there are very small details that you would only notice if you kind of look real close or if you knew about this shoe. And since this is limited edition, I am pretty sure all the Reebok heads, is that what you call it, but Reebok peeps know what's going down with this one. They are also very comfortable. I love wearing this shoe. They might not be as comfortable as my New Balances, but they do you know, my feet don't hurt when I use it. And once again, I got a size 7 men's for this one. If you are interested, I'm not sure if they still have this in Sports Central. Alright, so there you go, guys. If you have any questions about the 5 shoes that I talked about, please feel free to let me know in the comment section down below, because I did this video without really thinking about what to say. So yeah, if I missed anything, push. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So guys, that's all the time we have for today. But before I leave you, I would just like to invite you all to Unbox Con this Saturday, June 18 at the SMX MOA area at SMX MOA. It's gonna be a full day of fun, lots of shoes, lots of toys and collectibles. A lot of things are happening, so please, I hope to see you there. My husband and I are actually going to have a little talk. We're going to be interviewed about our outfits and our shoes, so I would love to see you there. Come say hi. We can take pictures, we can dance together or make TikToks together. I hope to see you there. Peace and love. Bye!